uma ngokwami ngizoqala ukwenza lokho okwenzayo lana ku TikTok ngithi phaphama umuntu omhlophe ngiqhubeke ngikhulume nabamhlophe angiboni ukuthi ngisizo ukuthi kube khona ubunye ezweni lakithi yikho lokho engikushoyo yikho lokho engikushoyo
ubunye i-unity ngiyayizwa i-unity nobunye but sizoyithola kanjani i-unity ubunye njengobusho wena sizoyithola kanjani if abanye abantu bengafuni ukubuyisa izinto that they forcefully took that they stole from abantu abamnyama.
Awukwazi ukuzifikela nje eplazini elithize ngoba umuntu ompisholo uthi ngelami ngoba ngimpisholo cha awukwazi fanele ukuthi ukhombise ukuxhumana phakathi kwakho naleli plazi leli ukhombise nanka amathuna kwenziwe inhlolovu kukonjiswe enkantolo awu cha ngempela mntaka makhanya okhokho bakhe babehlala kuleli plaza awukwazi ukuzifikela nje endaweni ethize ngingumuntu ompisholo nginike ngoba ngimpisholo cha
khona yini ukuxhumana okwenzeka nge time abantu abamnyama besuswa from iland yabo bathatha bayofakwa kuma location bapintshwa bonke laphayana in the same place besuswa kwindawo zabo bene livestock bene ama crops benakho konke ukuthi bakwazi ukusurvive khona ukuxhumana okwabakhona noma they just enforced i-Native Land Act. Ngiyaxolisa angazi mina ngifuna ukuzwa ngawe ngingaze ngikhulume ngama-Native Land Act engawazi.
Yebo ngingakafiki lapho ukhuluma khona ngisakhuluma nabafana noPiet Retief bengakahambi eKapa babememezela ukuthi angeke sithathe umhlaba sizoxoxisana nabantu babengafuni ukuphila phansi kwengcindezi yombuso waseNgilandi ngesikhathi befika kwaZulu babeqonda esigodlweni seSilo uDingane babeqonda khona ukuyocela umhlaba.
Bengicela ukubuza mkhulu lapho kwakho uma ukuthi kwakho ungaphatheka kanjani uma ngase kuthiwa kufika mina as isivakashi ngiyavakasha lapho egameni lokuthi ngizo-explora ngifike ngigcine lapho sengidiscover iy'ndonga ney'thombe lezi engiyibonayo bese ngiyayiclaima ukuthi ngezami ngikurepossesse zona ngikushiye ungenalutho lapho kwakho ngikuphendule isiqashi kwakho ungabi nazwi kwakho ngikuphuce yonke into engamagugu akwakho egcineni bese uthola ungaphendula
ungumuntu oyisela chaza ukuthi mawungena endlini yami uthatha izinto zami uyisela umthetho sekelo wethu uyavuma ukuthi uboshwe ufakwe ozankosi ngenxa yokuthatha izinto zami kuyafana nokuthi mangifika kuwe ngintshontsha izinto zakho ngiyisela mangiboshwa ubulungiswa lo.
Yebo ngiyabonga mkhulu ngiyaphenduleka lapho so mkhulu ke ngoba uma sithi siyabheka ke kuona umlando lo obukhuluma ngawo ondlebe ikhanyilanga bafike la bantshontsha amagugu ethu akaZulu ngendlela wena obona ngayo uma kuthiwa fanele kwenziwe ubulungiswa kungenziwa kanjani.
Ngicabanga ukuthi okokuqala ukuthi sivume ukuthi mina ngingumKristu ihubo elingama-24 Psalm 24 lithi umhlaba ungoka Jehova fanele ukuthi siqale lapho ukuthi izwe elibizwa
Jehova manje
ngelika Jehova izwe ngelika nkulunkulu
umhlaba belongs to the people so wena uJehova ungena kanjani lapho
cha akangeni kungene abantu ngowakhe uyanika abantu ngentando yakhe umhlaba izwi likaNkulunkulu lithi ihubo elingamashumi amabili nane, Psalm 24.
I mean, it's pointless doing that,
Ummoka
my brother.
Jehova.
I don't know the Bible. I don't do the
Ngiphi?
Bible. Can we just talk about real
Makhosi,
things that are real
Makhosi,
on the earth? Yeah, but I don't know the Bible.
I'm speaking as a Christian, so I am one. NgingumKristu, mina ngiphendula njengalokhu nginjalo.
Okay, but
Umhlaba-
can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? When you came in here, when I came in, you were talking to Uziro about the fact that Uziro, he's creating issues, divisions, when he's always talking about Umnyama. Right? That's what you said.
Yebo kunjalo.
Okay.
Ngoba-
So, umhlaba lo wabantu. Right?
Cha, angivumi. Umhlaba ungoka Jehova.
Asifuna Christianity sifuna umhlaba sikhona ukuphila kahle nathi sibe nalama hectares ayimillion wena onawo
Efane nani?
izwi lakaNkuluNkulu lithi Jesu nafika naleli izwi lakaNkuluNkulu nathatha umhlaba sasala thina nale Bible leli misleadayo today.
Yes.
We don't need iBible today. We
Asifuni
need
iBhayibheli.
umhlaba as black people sikwazi ukuthi siphile kahle. Don't tell us about iBible nezwi lakaNkuluNkulu namahubo ukuthi ilizwi ivesi ingoma iku144 asifuna ukuyazi. It's time now umuntu omnyama aphile kahle isitha si realize ukuthi we are a woke gang now akusafani nabokhokho bethu ungasitsheli ngomlando futhi wesilo wamaZulu nani
Angawazi wonke
awazi
futhi
wena qala lawo mali neza nina as isitha eSouth Africa wonke Africa as a whole you divided iAfrica ukuthi nina nizobamba la omunye abambe la omunye adle la wena unomhlaba manje ongasuka leyo shaya eMaritzburg uyi1
Thina sibopha ama
how do
rates.
you feel thina sihleli kwi-match backs matches box elokishini umakhelwane wamangisuza uyangizwa ngathi wena uneplaza ukhala iplaza lakho lonke ungasitsheli ngeBhayibheli ungasitsheli please